Where does the name for Glanrafon come from? So today I'm in a small village in Flintshire between Gwesbyr and Holywell, and it's called Glanrafon. So the name of the village is made of three parts. First we have Glan, which is the shore of a lake or the bank of a river. We have which is the word meaning the, but before a vowel. And then we have Avon, which means a river, so the bank of the river. And the river that it's talking about is this river by me here, called the Avon Garth. Garth is like a small cliff face or a sort of ridge of some kind, and Avon means river. So the name literally means the bank of the river. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.